What's going on, guys? Jake here with Uncommon EDC. Today I'm checking out the Grim Workshop monthly subscription for May of 2022. For $20 a month, they send you survival tools, usually in the form factor of a credit card size tool, sometimes in dog tag size or their keychain size. Today I'm opening it up with the Arcane Designs crawler, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So up top, we have looks like a sewing tool. It comes with several different sizes and shapes of needles, some buttons, as well as what looks to be a seam ripper, thread ripper. And it looks like it also will kind of double as a spool. It has some different slots here that it looks like you can run some thread across. And so I think this is actually a new tool for them. Grim's Sewing Repair Kit comes with over a dozen needles of various sizes and shapes, includes several easy thread needles, curved needles, a seam ripper, and 5 buttons in several sizes, as well as 2 wrap sections for sewing thread cordage. So yeah, just a nice kind of versatile little sewing set. Again, I'm pretty sure this is a new tool. It's not one I've seen before. My guess is, we'll have a card in here with the value, but my guess is it's probably $20 to $25 value is what they're probably selling that at. But again, once we get to the card, we can confirm. And then it looks like we received one of their patches, and their patches are usually, sometimes they'll have a theme. This looks like just the general branding one, but typically they'll have a pocket in here where you can store some of these tools outside of the card or the micro tools. So there's a slot so you can kind of hide some of these tools in here, or if you want, the card has a retention system, but if you want to take a couple off, like the button and the sewing needles, you can store them in there and store them on any loop panel, which is a nice feature. And they've included these before in the past. And again, they have several along different themes, as well as just their general branding ones. And we do have the content card here, which we'll go over at the end. And it feels like a single piece of popcorn. Their business card, and then they always include 2 of these survival cards. So this one we have a log cabin fire, so how to build a log cabin fire, with information on the front and back, as well as a recipe for grasshoppers. You have fried grasshopper, dry roasted grasshopper, grasshopper fritters, and chili lime grasshoppers. So there's often these type of cards. There's different series. You can buy these separately or even as a larger pack, but they always come with 2 of them within the box. So value-wise, we have the Sewing Kit Repair Card. They have that listed at $19.95. The Morale Patch with Hidden Pocket listed at $9.95, and then the tip cards are always listed at $185 each. So value of around just under $34, I guess, which is pretty good for that the $20 price point that you come in at. There's also a coupon here for 50% off bottle and can opener dog tags. Use code CAN, all caps, at checkout to receive your discount. So if you're interested in checking any of this stuff out, we'll have a link down in the description. It is affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does support the channel if you use that. Again, if you don't want to, that's fine as well. But yeah, let me know what you think of this month's subscription, and if you're interested in checking out any of the previous months, I do have a playlist with all the ones that I've unboxed on the channel. But thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, hope you have a great one. Take care.